This is impressive. I'm so happy it works. I just love it. So yeah, today we're gonna have so much fun because we're gonna gel print our photos on fabric. Not on paper, on fabric, like this. And we're not just going to gel print on fabric, but we're gonna gel print our photos. This is photo transfer on fabric. Okay, so let's take a look at the supplies we need, and don't worry, we will soon go into more details. So I'm actually going to transfer my photos on canvas. You can also transfer to muslin. These are the two fabrics that actually work for me. I tried different fabric types and found out that the ones that work for me were unbleached muslin, which is inexpensive and strong fabric. The other one that works is unprimed or raw canvas, sometimes referred to as duck canvas. You can also transfer directly on a zipper bag. So anything that is made from canvas and it's natural canvas, not treated. If it's treated, it won't work. If the canvas is treated in any way or primed, then it's not gonna work. The image is not gonna stick to it. So it has to be natural or raw canvas. This kind of canvas can be purchased at most art stores or fabric stores like Joann. The main ingredient in this process is fabric medium. And the reason you want to add fabric medium to your paints is because it ensures the fabric does not get too stiff. The other reason is because it helps the paint to stick better to the fabric. Yeah. I'm going to use dark purple Amsterdam acrylic paint, and it's a good idea to use a dark color for the image so it stands out. And like I mentioned before, I'm going to add fabric medium to my paint. I'm using 2 parts acrylic paint with 1 part fabric medium. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I make this kind of tutorials every week and you don't want to miss one. And if you too like to learn how to gel print your own photos, make sure to check out my online classes. Links to the online classes are below this video in the description box. Now we're going to let the transfer dry and stick to the fabric. I usually wait about 10 or 15 minutes. And while we're waiting, I just wanted to let you know how much I appreciate all your comments and your support. It's just lovely. I'm always happy to hear from you. It's just wonderful. Thank you so much. And thank you to everyone who joined my classes, buy my books, and even just like sends me wonderful messages. I really, really appreciate it. And all your beautiful comments. It's just wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you know that. Okay, so now the great reveal. Did it actually work? And make sure to stick around because I'm going to show you how to make the fabric washable. So don't miss it. I just love it. Okay, so one of the important things we need to find out now is if the fabric is washable or the image will wash off when we wash it. So this is very important if you want to be able to wash your fabric. So yeah, we should experiment and find out if it's washable. As we mentioned before, the fabric medium is very important to include with your paints. It increases the flexibility and makes the paint adhere to the fabric a little better and makes it more permanent. The other thing we're gonna do is heat set the paint. And use an old chair that you don't need anymore. And keep moving the iron around. And even though the fabric medium label says that no heat set is required, I decided to do it anyway, just for good measure. So it's up to you if you want to do this step or skip it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and wash it and see how it works. And I'm gonna be back and show you how it worked, if it worked or the image washed off. Here's what it looks like right now. So you get an idea and we can compare what happens. So I'll be back soon. Okay, so I'm back and I washed it and it looks just fine. It's all wrinkly, but it looks just fine. I hand washed my fabric, but it will work just the same if you use the gentle cycle of the washing machine. It looks just fine. It's so permanent. It's so good. I'm impressed. Sure is that and we're not the main ingredient. Actually, that's not a good idea. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful in any way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.